Well, now we are based on 1 hour chart. Alright, if we refer back to my last video when the price was here, I explained the different option on how we can trade, and I explained everything. Alright, and even in my last video, in one of the option when the price was here, we say if we want to look for buy, we should look for any flag. Alright, this is the for today the only opportunity for buy was this one. Alright, is not really good trade setup, but this is the only one we can trade as what we were expected. Okay, even in my last video we say what we are more interested if we get the move down. Okay, even right now we say that the reason is we have different option. Maybe we can look for this option, that this is the one move up and this is the correction. That's why we can look, we will be trade if we get the down move. Alright, but it doesn't mean we don't get the, that means the price doesn't move up. The price can move up, but the question is, if I buy here, if I get any trade set up, if I put my stop loss here and the first take profit be here, in term of the risk and reward, what I get is really not good. Okay, because we are not sure when the price go to this level, from there can reverse or can continue. Alright, in this case we will be more interested in the downtrend. That means if we get a sell, we will look for sell in terms of the risk and reward. Even we put the stop loss here, and then we will have a better trade setup. Okay, if you want to trade, may I can draw this line here. Okay, even in my last video I drew some similar to what I have here. Okay, the price, even like how drop here, even I explained in my last video, the price can drop here, is go back, that means it can continue similar to what we have here. Before it break the top, if we get any trade setup, I mean the sell setup, we will be more interested. Okay, if I mean this continue and go and break the top or near to the top, then we won't trade. I mean we won't look for sell based on what we are talking right now. Then we should have a different pattern for trading. Okay, for me right now, if I want to look for sell, if I draw this one, the first the option we can trade is, if break and give a small flag, then we can look for sell. Alright, the second option is for those traders, I mean the second option is having entry here below this one. Okay, but having entry here is not easy to trade, because sometimes we have the price can sharp move down, I mean come down and hit our trade, then reverse. That's why if we want to look for the trade by having entry, then we need to know how to manage it. Alright, the most safer one is if we get the flag. Alright, then in this case we are just looking for the down move if we get any sell setup. And how about if we go to forward, I mean the chart based on a forward time frame. Alright, yeah, nothing more, I mean no much different. Then we want to see whether this is the correction relative to this, and we can give 3-wave pattern. Then from there we can look for the move up, or we look for more continuation. That's mean if we get the sell setup. Again, whatever we are talking about is like we predict what we are looking, but it doesn't mean the price can go higher, but we are more interested in this level, we are more interested in sell. Alright, then currently we don't have any trade setup, and we just follow the market. If we get any update, I will share in a group. Thanks. No,